Hello friends, let us now learn some important points about the next neoplasm, which is hepatoblastoma. Hepatoblastoma is actually the most common primary malignancy of liver in the children. It is most common primary malignancy of liver in children. It is mostly increased risk is seen in low birth weight babies, and it is also associated with syndromes like FAP, that is familial adenomatous polyposis. It is associated with familial adenomatous polyposis, and it is also associated with one syndrome which is associated with Wilms disease, that is Beckwith-Wiedemann syndrome. But it is not associated with hepatitis B virus or hepatitis C virus, or it is not associated with metabolic disorders, and it is not associated with cirrhosis. Then if you see, most important thing is here AFP is seen to be raised in 90% of the cases. Then if you see the clinical features, here most patients are less than 18 months of age, most common less than 18 months of age, and all patients are less than 3 years of age. So it is seen in children who are less than 3 years of age, preferably less than 18 months of age. So what is the main clinical features? So if you see the clinical features here, most common presentation of hepatoblastoma is asymptomatic. You will see asymptomatic palpable intra-abdominal mass, which is noted by the parents. Abdominal mass which is noted by the parents. So what is the laboratory abnormality which is characteristic of hepatoblastoma is thrombocytosis is seen in the patients with hepatoblastoma. And what is the most common route of spread? Most common route of spread is hematogenous spread is most common. Then what is the most common site of metastasis? Because it is hematogenous spread, it can go to the lung. So lungs are the most common site of metastasis. So if you see the one-liners about diagnosis, what is the investigation of choice? Investigation of choice is biopsy. Actually, investigation of choice, you have two questions. What is the investigation of choice for diagnosis? Investigation of choice for diagnosis is biopsy. Now what is the investigation of choice radiologically? Investigation of choice radiologically is CECT is the investigation of choice. Now if you were asked what is the treatment, in the treatment resection is the main treatment, but if there is metastasis is present, then you cannot resect it. Right? In that, first you will have to do neoadjuvant chemotherapy should be done and decrease the size of the tumor and decrease the metastatic growths, and then you do surgery. Then what are the chemotherapeutic agent used? In chemotherapy we use vincristine, cisplatin and 5-fluorouracil are used. In more than 50% of patients, after pulmonary metastasis will disappear after chemotherapy, so that the patient can easily be taken for surgery, and thus the survival rate will improve. So after chemotherapy, the pulmonary metastatic will disappear. So this is about the hepatoblastoma. Thank you.